Look at those layers. Creamy and bursting with summer flavor in every bite. Here's what we'll need. A 16-ounce angel food cake, which I've cut in cubes. A quart of strawberries, washed, hulled, and sliced. Fresh blueberries here, which I have washed and dried. I have about a cup and a half of fresh raspberries. 4 cups of whole milk. An 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding. I hope you can hear me okay today because the cicadas are in full force around here. To our 2 boxes of vanilla instant pudding, we're going to add in 4 cups of milk. And we're just going to whisk that a couple minutes so it's fully incorporated. You can use pound cake or angel food cake in this recipe. And today I'm using that angel food cake because it keeps it nice and light. And they're calling for 90 degrees for the next week. And we're having a picnic tomorrow. So I thought this nice light version would be best for that. Our pudding's all mixed up and we're going to allow that to sit for about 2 minutes just to thicken it up a bit. Okay, now we're going to add our Cool Whip. You're going to reserve about a cup and a half of your Cool Whip to spread on top of your trifle when it's finished. So we're just going to mix this all up, and then I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator, probably for about 10-15 minutes, just to thicken up a bit. Let's get layering. Start with a layer of cake cubes. And you're going to be putting this in a trifle dish. But hey, if you don't have a trifle dish, you can use a clear glass bowl. You can even make this in a 9x13 cake pan. I will link this trifle bowl down below. I got this off Amazon and I use it for so many things. Okay, once we get a layer of our cake in, we're going to put a nice big layer of our pudding mix right on top of that. And then we're going to go in with a layer of fresh strawberries or blueberries. We're going to top it with some raspberries. We're going to go in with a little bit more cake on top of our fruit. And you're just going to keep repeating these layers. Cake, pudding mix, and fruit. You're probably going to get about 3 layers in your trifle. And we're going to do our final layer. We're going to spread that final layer of pudding on top. And I like to top it off with just a layer of Cool Whip. Look at those layers. Creamy and bursting with summer flavor in every bite. Hey, if you give this 3-berry trifle a try, let me know in the comments. What kind of cake would you use? Pound cake or angel food cake? And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.